Hey guys, what's up? Guys, this is a real, I caught my sister scamming. She just scammed. Look, people just left. See, look, guys, look, I just, look, why are we saying, sad face, Frosty. See, everybody look at this. It's Michaela Scammer. It's Michaela Scammer. It's just Michaela Scammer. Guys, it's Michaela Scammer. And one girl's like, I'm fighting for my frost because she just got scammed. Let me tell her. Did you get scammed? Did you get scammed? See, look, I said, did you get scammed? And look, she said I did. She got scammed from It's Me, Kayla YT. Guys, report her. Report. Did you just see? She just got scammed.
I just got another Friday uniform.
See, look, she just got scammed. Cause why is she saying that? If she didn't get scammed, she wouldn't have said she got scammed.
Hey guys, what's up?
And hey guys, this is a fake rel.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's the scammer here.
No, she is a scammer. Guys, we're exposing her. Why is she saying she got scammed?
Yeah, you guys, we're the scammer. What's up? I'm the scammer. Go report me. I don't care about you. I'm a scammer.
Everybody report. Report. Yeah, report. I'm posting this. Bye, guys. Bye.